Welcome to the lecture on Foundation of Group Behavior. My name is Dr. Devi PN, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith we are going to discuss Unit number 2, Part B, Foundation of Group Behavior. This unit concerned with MCOM part, first semester, second compulsory paper, second MCOB, that is Management Concept and Organization Behavior, second, and specially we can focus on organizational behavior. Outline of this discussion: learning objective of group behavior, introduction of group behavior, meaning of group behavior, classification of group, model of group behavior, and decision making. And finally we want to conclude this discussion. Learning objective of group behavior. To understand the concept of group behavior, to study key concept of group behavior, point out influencing factors on group behavior, models of group behavior. Then you may refer syllabus for the group behavior and their detail. Then we want to introduce concept of group behavior. A group can be consist of any number of people. The group members shares belief, principle, and standard about area of common interest, and they come together work on common task for the agreed purpose and outcome. In generally said that come together, stay together, and grow together. Considering this, people in group are defined by themselves and by others as a group member. In other words, individuals are aware about they are part of group. Why people join groups? The people often join groups since the groups given the number is stability and enhance their achievement capacity. The main reason to join groups are have a sense of security, have a status, develop self-esteem, power, and goal achievement. You may heard one example from the from the human civilization. People maybe live in group and then start the development process. Meaning and definition of group behavior. Group behavior is the situation where people interact in large or small groups. Groups behavior refer to when two or more persons who have similar goal come together in the group and behave in the same way. It can also be referred to the collective action. Two or more individuals is there interacting and interdependent. They are interacting and interdependent who has come together to achieve the organizational goal. Then we want to understand types of groups. Types of groups we can classify formal group and informal group. Formal group where command group is there and task group is there. Informal group, their friendship group and interest group. Command group, a group composed of the individual who report directly to the given manager. Task groups, those working together to complete a job or task in an organization but not limited by the hierarchical boundaries. Informal group, interest group, members work together to attain the specific objective with which is concerned. In friendship group, those brought together because they share one or more common characteristics. Then we may learn 5 stages of group development, where forming stage, members feel much uncertainty. Storming stage, lot of conflict between members of the group. Norming stage, members have developed a close relationship and cohesiveness. Then performance stage, the group is finally full functional. Adjourning stage, the temporary group characterized by concern with wrapping of activity rather than performance. Group behavior model is their roles, norms, status, size, and cohesiveness. All these things we want to consider for the developing roles. We want to identify role of person or group, role of perception, role of expectation, norms is there. Status, socially defined position or rank given the groups or groups member of by the others. Size, cohesiveness, all these things we may consider for the developing groups. Then groups, decision making and technique is there, interactive groups, brainstorming, normal group techniques, electronic meeting, and all these things through. We may consider group as an expert group, working group, operational group, and group behavior may be affected on performance of organization, and when we lead proper direction, it helps to achieve the organizational goal. And finally, we want to conclude this discussion. Herewith we consider, in this discussion we may consider introduction of group behavior, meaning of group behavior, classification of group behavior, models of group behavior. In brief stated that in any organization, people may be come from different groups, and some people they have same motive, same purpose, and they may take initiative or efforts for the achieving common goals. For this purpose, we want to understand group behavior, which helps to we may provide right direction in right way and achieve our organizational goal within the time. You may refer some book which is mentioned in syllabus, and if you have any doubt, please contact me. My name is Dr. Divik PN, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Mobile number 9049081926. Email ID is there, paresh84jan@redifnet.com. Thank you.